Hey, what is going on, guys? This is Jeremy back with another video on CryptoByte, and today we're going to be talking about South Korea's largest crypto exchange, Bithumb, supplying crypto kiosks to restaurants. So as we can see from this article on Cointelegraph.com, South Korean-based crypto exchange Bithumb has announced plans to supply kiosks to restaurants and cafes with an option for customers to pay for their food orders with Bithumb crypto holdings. So the kiosk brand called TouchBee is the result of a February partnership between Bithumb and kiosk manufacturers Unospace, Trust Systems, and IYU for Bithumb to supply kiosks optimized for small businesses that operate food and beverage franchises, small restaurants, and cafes. So the news outlet ZD News reports that Bithumb launched 3 services, 2 of which were named in the article as Kiosks, Touchpad, and Touchbone, giving business owners options based on their size and card requirements. So apparently rent costs for TouchBee kiosks will be offered for 10% less than the going rates as a way to help smaller businesses afford the use of Bithumb's products. So there is a third service called Bithumb Cash, a password settlement service that will allow Bithumb customers to convert their funds to use at the kiosks with their password, thus generating synergy between business and currency exchange business, so between the food and the currency exchange business. So this is a statement straight from Bithumb. The entry into the kiosk business is meaningful to provide substantial beliefs and low-cost rental services to small business owners. We will continue to work in various industries based on blockchain technology. We will continue to provide opportunities to provide total solutions for small businesses through our partnership. So as we can see here, Bithumb is ranked number 5 globally by trading volume over a 24-hour period, according to data from CoinMarketCap. So another contributor from Cointelegraph tweeted yesterday that Bithumb's announcement could really fuel crypto adoption in South Korea. So let's look at another article from Cointelegraph.com saying that Binance is offering $250,000 of a bounty for the arrest of the hackers. So as we can see here, the Binance cryptocurrency exchange is offering a $250,000 equivalent bounty on the arrest of the hackers involved in the March 7th incident. So this was stated by Binance in an announcement on March the 11th. So according to the announcement, the first person to supply the information that results in a legal arrest in any jurisdiction will receive the bounty in Binance Coin, which is traded and used on the Binance Exchange. I guess they're using Binance Coin to further legitimize the use of their coin, but anyone can exchange that straight back into Bitcoin or Litecoin or Ethereum or anything like that, or even if they want, they could change it back to US Tether and change it back to US dollars. So if there are multiple sources of information that lead to the final arrest, the bounty may be split between the sources. So here's a statement that Binance released. To ensure a safe cryptocurrency, we can't simply play defense. We need to actively prevent any instances of hacking before they occur, as well as follow through after the fact. Even though the hacking attempt against Binance on March 7th was not successful, it was clear it was a large-scale organized effort, and this needs to be addressed. So in addition to the current bounty, Binance has allotted 10 million in crypto reserves for future bounty awards against any hacking attempts in Binance. So as per Binance's statement, the exchange has also invited other exchanges to globally follow suit. So as a quote from Binance, they state that protecting your funds is and has always been our highest priority. Users alerted Binance to the breach in the security after observing irregular and unauthorized transaction behaviors in their accounts. So while the exact method the hackers employed remains unclear, some users have said that a possible compromise of users' API keys could explain how the hackers sidestepped Binance's two-factor authentication system. But Binance resumed trading activities on the next day on March the 8th. So I want to know what you guys think about these two articles. Personally, I think Binance is doing an amazing job, not shying away from the fact that a major hack did almost happen, and now they're proving to be doing everything in their arsenal to make sure it won't happen in the future, and to even incentivize members of the public to bring to light how this happened and who, in fact, did this. So I also want to know your thoughts on South Korea's largest crypto exchange, Bithumb, introducing kiosks in smaller convenience stores, beverage stores, food stores to enable customers to pay for their orders using either Bitcoin or Litecoin or Ethereum or any other major cryptocurrency like that. Do you think, like me, this is the step in the right direction, or do you think that there is still a long way to go in terms of adoption? Let me know in the comment section below. Thanks a lot for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you like this video, and I will catch you guys in my next one.